Hello everyone, Bridget here. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm just going to show you a very simple relish or a chutney or a sambal, whatever you'd like to call it. It's a tomato relish. So I'll quickly take you through the ingredients. So I've chopped like 4 large tomatoes, very fine. I used the chopper to chop it fine. Okay, then 2 onions that I've chopped very finely, some curry leaves, and actually it's 2 green chillies, but if you want you can add more if you need it more spicy. Then we need just a little chili powder, cumin powder, sugar and salt. So these are the very few ingredients that we need for our tomato sambal or tomato relish that I'm going to show you. This sambal or relish could be had with rice, like as a chutney, or even with your chapatis, or sometimes even with bread. You could use it as a sandwich spread. So without further ado, I'll start showing you the whole process of making this tomato sambal. So let's begin by heating about 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. You can add 1 more tablespoon if you like. And then we add the onions once the oil is hot. And we need to fry the onions till it's light brown. So you can raise the heat and start frying the onions. And once it fries a little, you can add the curry leaves and green chilies. So fry well till the onions turn light brown. So once they reach light brown, you can add in the chopped tomatoes. You can stir well and keep cooking on high heat as usual for the tomatoes to start melting. Now what we'll do, we'll add 1 teaspoon of chili powder. You can add more chili powder if you like, if you want it more spicy. 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Salt to taste, however much of salt that you feel is enough for your family, and 1 teaspoon of sugar to bring it all together. So now you mix well and keep stirring and mixing. Lower the heat and we'll cover with a lid and let it cook for some time. Now I've opened the lid after some time and I'm mixing it well. You can see that the tomatoes are turning pulpy. Just cook for a little while more, and once you feel that almost all the water's dried up, you can switch off the stove and use a big spoon or a masher to mash the tomatoes. So this is a relish, but if you want to use it as a chutney, then what you have to do is you could grind it in a blender and make it into a chutney. But this is the way I make a relish. So this is our delicious tomato relish, or sambal as my mother used to call it, is now ready. And so our Anglo-Indian tomato relish is ready. You can see how delightful it looks and delicious. So do try it. It's very easy and tasty as well. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, do like and share it, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.